Welcome to Year 2's Easy Activity for Thursday, and we are practicing spelling the days of the week. So far, we've practiced Monday. Let's say the letter names together. M-O-N-D-A-Y. We've practiced Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. We've practiced writing Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. We've practiced writing Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. And we've practiced writing Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. We've got 2 days left to practice. Do you know which 2 days they are? Well done if you said Wednesday and Saturday. Now today, we are going to use a different way to practice these words. Now this is my favourite way to practice spellings. It might not be yours. That's why this week we've tried out lots of different ways, so you can choose which way is your favourite. And this way is called Look, Say, Cover, Write, Check. And I'm going to make a nice red rectangle to cover up my words. Because what we need to do is look at the word first of all. Have a good look at Saturday. Look at how it's spelled. Look at the shapes. Look at the letters. Have a think about it. Then we say it out loud. Now when I say it, I like to say it how it's spelled, not how we really say it. So we say Saturday, but let's look at how it's spelled. Sat-ar-day. If I say it like that, that will help me remember the spelling. Sat-ar-day. Then we cover it up. Then we have a go at writing it. Can you have a go at writing it at home as well? Sat-ar-day. You have a go first. And I'll have a go as well. Sat. Sat. Is that R? Oh, I think it was a U and an R. Sat-ar-day. Can I remember day? D-A. You can do the D and which way around that goes. Yes, I think that's the right way. A. It's the A-Y-A. Sat-ar-day. So we looked, we covered it up, we've written it. Now we've got to check it. Let's have a look. This is where it's really important that you check it carefully. Sat-ar-day. Yes, I got it right. I'm going to give myself a tick. Okay, let's cover that word back up and let's have a look. I'm not going to be able to get my rectangle now. There we go. Let's have a look at this one. So have a good look at Wednesday. Look at how it's spelled. Oh, it's a long word. Now this one I find saying it, how it's spelled, really helps me practice spelling it. Wednesday. That's how I remember it. Wednesday. Because this bit in the middle is really tricky. There's a whole extra bit in there that you don't say. Wednesday. Let's cover it up. You can have a go at writing it at home as well. Can you try writing Wednesday? I'm going to have a go at writing it. So we looked, we said the word, we covered it up, we've written it, now we've got to check. Let's check it carefully. Don't just go, oh yes, that's right. Let's check it together. Oh no, look what I've done. I haven't, oh dear, now I've done it even worse. I haven't written a D at all. I've written a B. That says Wednesday. Oh, Mrs. Halligan, you've got your B's and your D's mixed up. Let's cross that one out. I'm going to cover it up and have another go. Right, this time I'm going to cover up not just that word, but my word as well, because I don't want that to help me. Oh, that's not very good, is it? I'm going to have to get rid of that writing because it won't cover up. You can go over there. Right, shall we try that word again? can write it here now, can't I? Wednesday. W-E-D-N-S-D-A. Let's check it this time. W-E-D-N-S-D-A. That's much better, well done. So, why don't you have a go at practicing all of the days of the week today, using Look, Say, Cover, Write, Check, ready for tomorrow when we're going to see if you can spell them all correctly. Today in English we are learning to write in joined handwriting. And we've got our story again. Now I'm not going to read it again. You could pause the video on each page if you want to have a read through, or you could go back to yesterday's video and watch me reading it on there. So I'm just going to pause long enough for you to pause the video. And then I'll move on to the next page. If you want to pause the video and read this one, you can. And if you want to pause the video and read this last page, you can. Don't need our capital letters. So I don't know whether those capital letters are still on there. They've snuck in from yesterday. Today, the capital letters are all on there for you. And you've got a nice activity to practice your best handwriting. Now I have to warn you, it is a lot of writing. You might not need to do the whole story. So I think this should take you no more than half an hour. That's long enough to spend on this activity. And your hand will probably get tired out before then. So probably 20 minutes is a good amount of time to practice. So maybe set a timer and see how far you get in 20 minutes. And if you don't get very far, have a break, maybe do another lesson and then come back and do a little bit more handwriting. Because if you find handwriting tricky, it can make your hand tired very quickly. Now, let's make sure we're holding our pens correctly, or pencils. Please do find a pencil for handwriting. It's much better for you to write with than a pen, and make sure it's nice and sharp. Now, I think I've only got a pen. Let me have a look. Oh no. Got a pencil. My pencil is not sharp enough. If your pencil looks like that, give it a sharpen. But I'm not actually writing today, so I will use this to show you. So do you remember? I can't remember the rhyme. I wonder if you can at home. Some of you are very good at it. But we get our finger and our thumb, and we pick the pencil up like that, and then we flip it round like that, and that's how we hold it. And we use our other fingers to rest on. So I'm holding it a bit high up. So let me try that again. Pinch it down near the end, nearly saying the rhyme, and flip it round. And you should be holding your pencil like that. When you're writing, you can rest this part of your arm on the table, and that will give you more strength. If you have your arm up in the air, you'll get tired out really easily. So rest your arm on the table. Now, I'm going to swap my pencil for a whiteboard pen because I can't write on the whiteboard in pencil. So pinch it near the end with those two fingers, flip it over and rest the fingers underneath. And then what I want you to do is very carefully trace over the letters. Remember, capital letters do not get joined, but all the other letters, you can trace over the joins and have a go. Good luck, and I can't wait to see your beautiful handwriting.